Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a WordPress website from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll have your very own website live on the internet. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what WordPress is. WordPress is the most popular platform for building websites. It's beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for complex sites. Head over to Infinity Free's website and click the Register button to create your free account. Follow the simple steps to complete your registration, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Create a new account by entering your email address, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms of service. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click on Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. After verifying your email, log in to your Infinity Free account. You'll be redirected to the client area. Click on the Create Account button and choose a hosting plan. If you're just starting out, their free plan offers unlimited disk space, bandwidth, and domains at zero cost, perfect for personal blogs or small projects. However, it lacks SSL certificates and professional email accounts. For more features, consider their premium plans. The Super Premium plan includes SSL, faster speeds, and better support, ideal for business sites. For high-traffic sites, the Ultimate Premium plan offers unlimited everything and priority support. Choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. Once your hosting account is created, you'll be taken to the Domain section. Here, you can choose a free subdomain for your website. Enter a unique subdomain name and select one of the free domain extensions provided. Click on Search Domain to ensure your chosen subdomain is available. Once you find an available subdomain, click on Create Account. Once your hosting account and subdomain are created, you'll be taken to the Control Panel, cPanel. Here you can manage your hosting account and website efficiently. In cPanel, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps Installer section and click on the WordPress icon. This will open the WordPress installation page. Click on the Install Now button. On the WordPress setup page, you need to configure a few settings. Change the username, password, and enter your email address for the WordPress admin account. And also enter your site name. About site description and other setup, you can fill after installation too. On Advanced option, in Auto Upgrade, select the Do Not Auto Upgrade. After filling out all the details, click on the Install button. The installation process might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a success message with your WordPress login URL. Click on the provided link to go to the WordPress login page. Enter the admin username and password you created earlier to log in to your new WordPress site. Congratulations! You have successfully installed WordPress on Infinity Free. Now that we have downloaded WordPress, secured hosting, and registered a domain, it's time to move on to the essential setup and start building our custom-designed website. Now, let's set up the basics. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and then select Permalinks. Make sure to choose Post Name as your permalink structure and then hit Save Changes. Next, head over to Posts and click on All Posts. You'll see a post titled Hello World by default. Let's improve it. Hover over this post, click Trash, and delete it. To start design your website, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance Themes. Next, click on the Add New button. In the search bar, type Boza Digital Marketing and hit Enter. Once the theme appears, click on the Install button, and then activate it to apply the theme to your website. Boza Digital Marketing impresses with its sleek, modern design and exceptional usability. Next, navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Here, you can search for and install all the essential plugins for your agency website. To make it easier for you, I've included a list of the recommended plugins in the description of this video. Just follow the list, install them, and activate each one to unlock powerful features for your site.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face.
After installing all the necessary plugins, navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. From there, select All Plugins. Check the box at the top to select all the plugins, then click Activate to enable them all with a single click. Once all the plugins are activated, it's time to import the demo content for your website. Go to Appearance in the WordPress menu, then click on Demo Import. On the Demo Import page, click Import. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Simply click Yes to proceed, and then click Import Demo to import the demo content. Once the demo import is complete, your website will now have demo content like text, images, and page layouts that match the theme's demo version. Now, go to your website by clicking Visit My Site. Welcome to the first look and demo of the amazing theme we've just imported. This theme is not only visually stunning but also incredibly clear and user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. Its intuitive design ensures that navigating through the features is a breeze, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating a unique and engaging website. In the next video, we'll dive into the customization options and show you how to tailor the theme to your specific needs. With just a few simple adjustments, you'll be able to craft a design that reflects your personal style and vision, taking your website to the next level. Stay tuned and get ready to transform this theme into something truly extraordinary.